Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by LEXI Howard, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my eyes with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. From the ColourPop Baby Got Peach palette, I'll be using the shade Perky as my crease shade. For my transition shade, I'll be using Center Fold and blend everything out afterwards. Patting ochre all over my eyelids. Darling on the inner corner of my eyes for a matte base highlight. Mixing Perky and ochre, smudging it all over my lower lash line. Darkening the crease and lower lash line with Half Baked. To make the glitter stick, I used the BH Cosmetics Base Booster Glitter Adhesive and Shadow Glue. For that shimmering base, I used the shade Get Even all over my eyelids. For the highlight dimension, I used Radio Ariat on the inner corner, center my eyelids, and blend everything out. For that simple glittery look that mod/Lexi had, I used Hungry Ghost all over my eyelids and lower lash line. For eyeliner, I used the Gavesi/Glam Vibes Cosmetics in the shade Wilderness. For false lashes, I'll be using the Ardell Beauty in Wispies or Demi Wispies with the dual lash glue. Priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. For concealer, I'll be using the Eyeliner Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural, covering my acne dark circles while highlighting at the same time. Contouring my face with the Eyeliner Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso, meeting my cheekbones, temples, and nose. For blush, I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali. For highlighter, I'll be using the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Wisp. Setting my under eyes in areas where I covered my acne with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Powder in Translucent. For lip balm, I'll be using the Lip Sleep by COSRX. For lip liner and lippy sticks by ColourPop, I'll be using the shade I Heart This. And that's it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye!